The world is rapidly changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming more common. AI helps us in many ways. It can write stories and translate languages. But AI is not perfect. It can make mistakes. These mistakes are called hallucinations. Think of AI hallucinations like optical illusions. Our eyes see something that isn't really there. Similarly, AI sometimes generates information that isn't true. This can be anything from incorrect facts to completely made-up stories. These hallucinations happen because AI learns from massive amounts of data. Sometimes this data contains errors or biases. AI can also misinterpret the information it receives. This leads to unexpected and often incorrect outputs. While AI hallucinations can be amusing, they also pose risks. Imagine relying on AI for medical advice or financial decisions. Incorrect information could have serious consequences. That's why it's important to understand and address this issue.
Setting the record straight. Correcting AI errors. Once you've identified a potential AI hallucination, there are several steps you can take to correct it. The goal is to ensure that the information you're using is accurate and reliable. Start by comparing the AI's output with reliable sources. Consult reputable websites, books, academic journals, or expert opinions. If the AI's information doesn't align with these sources, it's likely incorrect. Another approach is to use multiple AI models. Different AI systems have different strengths and weaknesses. By comparing the responses of several models, you can get a more well-rounded perspective and identify potential errors or biases. Fact-checking is crucial. Don't take any information at face value, even if it comes from AI. Verify facts, dates, statistics, and any other claims made by the AI. Use fact-checking websites or consult primary sources to ensure accuracy. For AI systems that you use regularly, consider updating their knowledge bases. Provide them with accurate information and correct any errors you encounter. This can help improve their accuracy over time. Finally, remember that human verification is essential, especially for crucial information. If you're dealing with sensitive topics like health, finance, or legal matters, always consult with qualified professionals to confirm any information provided by AI.
When it comes to interacting with AI, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. First, be clear and specific with your queries. The more precise you are, the better the AI can understand and respond. Second, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. If the initial response isn't satisfactory, dig deeper to get the information you need. Third, use context. Providing context helps AI systems give more accurate and relevant answers. Fourth, be aware of the limitations. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Knowing what it can and can't do will help you use it more effectively. Lastly, keep learning. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and staying updated will help you make the most out of these technologies.
In this age of AI, critical thinking has never been more important. While AI can provide us with a wealth of information, it's crucial to question and verify what we receive. Always ask yourself, does this make sense? And is this information consistent with what I already know? Don't be swayed by the apparent authority of AI. Remember, it's a tool, not an infallible source of truth. Cross-reference information, seek out multiple perspectives, and be prepared to challenge the AI's output. By maintaining a healthy skepticism, we can harness the power of AI without falling into the trap of blindly trusting it.
As we move forward into a future increasingly shaped by AI, it's essential to embrace these technologies with both excitement and caution. AI offers incredible potential to enhance our lives, from making everyday tasks easier to advancing scientific research. However, we must remain vigilant, ensuring that we use AI responsibly and ethically. By staying informed, practicing critical thinking, and continually updating our knowledge, we can make the most of AI's capabilities while mitigating its risks. Together, we can navigate this new landscape and harness the power of AI for the betterment of all.